right up close and in person here. All right. I'm working kind of in close quarters here, and I don't want to bump that front edge, because if I do, that's just all the more material that I'll have to remove to take my marks out, and I don't want to do that. Okay. All right, let's turn it around. We'll do the other side. You may wonder why I'm operating this with the guard up, because the guard hits the wheel here. So for the little bit that I'm grinding off this thing, I really don't have to worry about it too bad. So that's it. Now what we'll do is go back to the surface plate and verify our accuracy. And I'd say if we've got everything within inside a half a thousandths for my purposes and my home shop and my equipment, my old equipment, I'll be happy. Okay. Okay, first we'll check for squareness here. So the first check we'll do is outside on this outside clamping surface. So let's see here. Zero. And that is probably inside 2/10. That might be 1/10 even. All right, now let's check in this direction. We just flop our angle plate over and I can feel some grit under there. Okay, that feels pretty good. And get up in range here a little bit. All right. Sometimes it's easier to move your workpiece under the indicator, easier than moving the indicator over your workpiece. Okay, this is 0. And I'd say that's probably 10. Now let's move inside. Oops, let's see here. Yeah. Can you see there okay? I'm liking this new height gauge pretty well. And there's probably, well, let's call that 0. Yeah, that's pretty good. And here, we're looking at almost 2 thousandths, and I don't understand that. I think it's because of the short length of that ledge. I don't have the full cylindrical square on it. Something's definitely wrong here. That's the easiest one of all to grind. But if it is out, we'll just go back and dust it off on the grinder. We'll bring it in. Zero. Yeah, it's about 1 thousandth and a half. I don't quite get that. All right, well, let's check in this direction. We'll recheck that first one because that doesn't make any sense to me. Zero. And about 3 to 4 tenths. Okay, let's recheck this first surface. I have to believe that there was something under the square, even though it's not a good check because our square is sitting on such a small part of the portion of the surface. Zero. That's showing about 1/2. So yeah, there was something under that. So you know what? I'm going to call that good. And everything's. We have one ledge here that's out about 1/2 thousandths, which is I don't quite understand that, but anyway. Let's lift that up just a little bit. Boy, this is awkward. This is kind of awkward to get in here and give you guys access with the camera. Okay, let's call that 0, and we'll call that, yeah, about a half thousandths. Okay. All right, we're going to call that good enough. I don't know if it's worth, as you can see, I've only got about half the square on there. That's not really a fair test. And since I did grind it parallel with this surface, it doesn't make sense that it wouldn't be better than that. So, okay guys, that's basically how I grind an angle plate in on the surface grinder. And you can see the results there. So we'll call that good. So we'll wrap this one up right here. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. This is Mike signing out.